Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to sign up for a Snapchat account. If you're new to Snapchat and you want to sign up for an account, then keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Before beginning, Snapchat is an American multimedia messaging app developed by Snap Inc. and one of the principal features of Snapchat is that pictures and messages are usually only available for a short time before they become inaccessible to their recipients. In order to create a new account on Snapchat, tap open your Snapchat application. If you don't have the app installed on your device, first make sure you do, and once you have the app, tap it open and you'll end up in this page. This is the very first interface of Snapchat. If you have an account, you can tap on the login button at the bottom and simply sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, tap on sign up. Now, in order to enable the app permissions to make the sign up process easy, tap on continue and allow all the access that Snapchat asks you of. Now on the next page, go ahead and enter your first name in the first text field and then type in your last name on the next. After you do that, tap on sign up and accept, and on the next page, choose your birthday information from the bottom of the screen. So after you do that, tap on continue and your username will be displayed like this. If you want to change your username to something else, tap on change my username right here, and once you do that, you'll be able to type in a new username for yourself. If the username is already taken, then you won't be able to sign up using that username. You can pick one from the suggestions below. Once the username is available, you can go ahead and tap on continue. Now, on the next page, set a password for your account and make sure your password is at least 8 characters long. Once you type in your password, tap continue. Now, on the next page, you can go ahead and enter your phone number in the text field. If you don't want to use your phone number for signing up, you can tap on sign up with email instead option and go ahead and type in an email address that you would like to use for Snapchat. Once you do that, tap on continue, and in order to find your friends on Snapchat, tap on continue button. You can go ahead and add friends for your Snapchat account by tapping on the add button at the right side of their username. If you don't want to do it right now, then you can simply go and tap on the skip button at the upper right corner and skip this process for now. From your pop-up, select yes, and there you go. You have signed up for a new Snapchat account with the simple steps. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.